Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto Edge Plus for Boost Mobile. So the Moto Edge Plus is now here at Boost Mobile. It's available now in a Cosmos color, so it's like a dark gray black color. So this is like a mid-range flagship smartphone here. Y'all guys will get 512 gigabytes of storage, which is very nice. $449.99 currently as of this video recording, $300 off. For retail price of the Moto Edge Plus is $749.99. So not bad there for the specs that you're getting. So there it is, front and back. Looks like the Moto Edge devices of recently from Motorola. So yeah. So you guys got front and back there. Your front facing camera there. I don't know if it's a teardrop notch or if it's a hole punch right there on the front facing camera. You got the Motorola clock, which I am a big fan of. The wallpaper, which is very nice, like a wallpaper there. On the back of the Moto Edge Plus is your triple camera system, dual LED flash, your Motorola logo and whatnot. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. There's a close-up look at the back of the Moto Edge Plus. You guys get your triple camera system, like I said, dual LED flash, a Motorola logo. So pretty nice. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. The camera button, the power button is a bit high, which is interesting. The left side is here. I'm guessing your micro SD and SIM card slot is on the left. It might have a micro SD card slot. It might not have one. I'm not really sure. There's the right side of it again. Power button, volume keys. Like I said, the left side probably has your SIM card slot. I don't know if it has a micro SD card slot or not. There's the front of it again. You got your front facing camera there, earpiece above that. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Your Motorola clock, which I like a lot. And your wallpaper there, which is very nice and colorful there. The left side. Yeah, the left side, I can't tell if it has anything on the left side. I can't really tell. On the top of the Moto Edge Plus is your noise cancellation microphone. On the bottom of the Moto Edge Plus is your microphone, Type-C charging port, and your speaker. So yeah. So the Moto Edge Plus has 38 hours of talk time, Android 12 of course, 50 megapixel main camera, 6.7 inch display. Says the new Motorola Edge redefines the game, so you can elevate yours. Featuring the industry leading Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and triple high-res cameras. Get ready for unparalleled performance. Take incredibly sharp and bright photos in low light using instant all pixel focus. Record HDR10 videos with over 1 billion shades of color. Capture high resolution ultra wide images. Plus take high resolution selfies for unbelievably vivid results. All this with the ultra smooth performance of a 144Hz display, along with the astounding clarity of Dolby Atmos. It's time to blaze your own trail. Motorola Edge is here. Features: super high-res selfies. Take stunning ultra high resolution selfies with a dedicated selfie camera. Quad pixel technology combines every 4 pixels into one for 4 times better low light sensitivity and brilliant results. Brilliant any way you look at it. Watch your favorite shows and movies come to life in vibrant color, offset by deep black on a 6.7-inch Max Vision OLED display. Enjoy a sharper picture with less pixelation thanks to Full HD resolution. View over a billion shades of true to life color with improved brightness and contrast, and view without any lag thanks to the unbelievably smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. Add a new dimension of audio. Immerse yourself in three-dimensional sound of Dolby Atmos. Make your favorite movies sound richer and more natural, and listen to music with enhanced depth and clarity, bringing you closer to the artist and their intention. Unleash ultra realistic gameplay. Experience the full Snapdragon Elite gaming arsenal for when winning is everything. Harness the power of ultra smooth responsiveness, color rich HDR scenes, and desktop level features that are first on mobile. Get 30% more power and 25% more efficiency with a Qualcomm Adreno GPU, re-articulated for a new generation of gameplay. Big screen quality. Record cinematic quality videos right on your phone with 8K video. With 8K resolution, you get over 26 million pixels of resolution, the highest video resolution possible on a smartphone today. Unbelievable battery, ultra-fast turbo power charging. Connect at 5G speeds and do everything you want to do without worrying about battery life with a 4800 mAh battery. Need to fill up fast. Turbo power 30 watt gives you hours of battery in minutes. You can even charge wirelessly. No cords, no clutter. Power when you need it most. Experience the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 mobile platform, Qualcomm's fastest and most powerful processor. Fuel the next generation features you'll love while enabling performance boosts such as advanced AI and a lightning fast refresh rate. Power your fastest 5G connections, elite gaming experiences, and the professional quality cameras you crave. Every moment, every detail, time story. Capture every incredible detail in bright daylight with two 50-megapixel cameras. From ultra-wide angle shots to extreme close-ups. Focus faster and with more accuracy in low light conditions using instant all-pixel focus and the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 chipset. Record cinematic videos right on your phone in 8K or shoot HDR10 plus videos in over a billion shades of color, plus take unbelievably vivid high resolution selfies with a 60-megapixel front camera. Share your speed everywhere. Connect to 5G networks and get blazing fast speeds, whether it's loading your Instagram feed or downloading your favorite shows in seconds. Make the most of the new 6 GHz spectrum of Wi-Fi, connecting at even faster gigabit speeds using Wi-Fi 6E, and enjoy desktop quality experiences thanks to the Qualcomm Snapdragon Elite gaming, including advanced customizations, ultra-realistic graphics, and blazing fast performance. Specs on the Moto Edge Plus display: 6.7 inches Max Vision OLED display, that's a Full HD Plus display, 4800 mAh battery, up to 38 hours of talk time, turbo power charging, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, Android 12. The Moto Edge Plus weighs 6.91 ounces. Cameras, you get two 50-megapixel cameras on the back at a 50-megapixel ultra-wide, 50-megapixel macro lens, plus a 2-megapixel depth sensor on the back, plus a 60-megapixel front-facing camera, which is fucking insane. You guys get 8 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, and there is no micro SD card expansion, so to keep that in mind. Connectivity options: 5G, of course, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6E, and USB-C. Dimensions: 6.42 inches height, 2.99 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. Other features include fingerprint scanner, face unlock. What's included in the box on the Moto Edge Plus is your turbo power 30-watt charger, which is nice to see a charger in the box. Your documentation, your Moto Edge Plus smartphone, and USB-C cable. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Moto Edge Plus is now here at Boost Mobile. It's available now for $449.99. Currently $300 off the full retail price, $749.99. If you guys can get this phone for $450, it's definitely a steal, because you're getting great specs for what it is, a mid-range flagship smartphone. So 512 gigabytes is a lot of storage, and there is no SD card slot on this phone, so to keep that in mind. So if you get this phone for $450, like I said, that's a steal. Even if you pay $750 for the phone, which is full retail price, it's still a great pickup in my opinion, because you're getting a nice looking phone, great specs, you're getting a lot of storage, 512 gigabytes on this mid-range flagship smartphone here. So pretty nice looking phone, and overall nice specs and whatnot. It's definitely worth the price. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.